Good morning, children. Welcome to my class. We shall continue lesson 11, helping hands. So, in my previous class, I taught you about doctor, sweeper, driver, farmer, policeman, tailor, teacher, and plumber. We discussed about these people who are giving us a helping hand and how they help the society. Okay. So, today we are going to discuss about barber. Alright. So today we will discuss about barber. Okay. So who is a barber? Who actually is a barber? He is a person who cuts your hair, who cuts our hair in common, you can say. Okay. Now just imagine, without a barber, can you manage your hair? Who would cut your hair? So how the barber is helping the society? By cutting our hair, he is helping the society. Okay. A barber cuts and trims our hair. As you know, you go to a barber when your hair grows long and he cuts your hair, or just he makes it short. That is trimming. Okay. All right. Next one is shopkeeper. Okay. Next one is shopkeeper. Now, who is a shopkeeper? He is a person who sells different products that are needed by us. Okay. Okay. So, a shopkeeper is a person who sells different products that are needed by us. Whether you need a Colgate, you go to a shop. Right? You need a shampoo, you go to a shop. You need one packet of chips. You need a chocolate, you go to a shop. Because why do you go to a shop? To buy it from the shopkeeper, right? So you have to understand how a shopkeeper helps us. By selling his goods, by selling the things he helps us and we buy them. We give them money, we buy them, but he is helping us, isn't it? Without a shopkeeper, you think, where would we go to buy the things? You need a thing, immediately you go and you buy that thing, isn't it? So a shopkeeper sells different products that are needed by us, and in this way he is helping us and is helping the society also. Okay, next one is the postman, and you all know who is the postman. Who is the postman? A postman is a person who delivers mails and letters to us. Okay, nowadays you will find very less postmans are there, but still this postal service is there. You will see postman, because now also letters comes. People are, because nowadays, because of the use of phones, people they message in the phone, they send their emails, everything they send through phone. But in the olden days, people used to write letters. Now I don't think anybody writes any letter except in the examinations and all. Okay, letter writing has become very less. Okay, but still you should know who is a postman. He is a person who delivers letters. Whether anything will come at your home. Okay, so a postman will reach it. Okay, so even now you have courier service also. The boys come and they give the letters or whatever whatever the things they come and they give at home. So that is postal service. Okay. So you should know. Today we discussed about barber. He cuts your hair, or you can say he cuts our hair. A shopkeeper, he sells different products that are needed by us. And a postman is a person who delivers mails and letters to us. He delivers it to our homes. Okay. So in this way they are helping the society. They are helping us. Okay. So, oh brother, thank you so much for telling me about so many helping people. Who is saying this? Neha is saying this to her brother. I am thankful to you and I am thankful to them also. She is thankful to all these people who are helping in one way or the other to our society. It is my pleasure, my little sister, Mayank is saying. But brother, you have not told me about a cobbler. Her brother Mayank, he forgot to discuss about a cobbler. So who is a cobbler? A cobbler helps to repair our torn shoes. You go to a cobbler when your shoes or your chappals are torn, and he repairs them. So in this way he is helping us and he is helping the society. Okay. So Neha and Mayank's interesting conversation tells you all about helping people. So here in this chapter we discussed about helping people, all the people who helps us. Helping people are very important part of our society. So how do they help our society? By doing their respective work. By doing their work, they are helping the society. And it is only possible because of effective cooperation. Okay, if everyone is cooperating together, then only this is possible. Okay. So in this chapter we discussed about helping hands. Okay. So please go through this chapter. Just see all the people who helps us. You should know at least 5 people who helps us. Okay, go through please. Thank you.